Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the Ekster wallets. This is a metal wallet here on the left and a leather wallet here on the right. And in the center, this is the solar-powered, Bluetooth-enabled, Chipolo-driven Ekster wallet tracker. So if you happen to leave your wallet behind, it will alert your smartphone that it's paired with. And the solar panel on top is what charges the unit. And it slips into either of the Ekster cases right here. They have an external part on the metal wallet that you can slip it right into right here. Or on this leather wallet, it has a little piece right here for some cash or cards. You can put it through the back and it will sit there no problem. Press the button and all of your cards come out. So there you go. Put them back in, pop them back out. It's very easy, very simple. I like how that works. And then it works the same way with the metal wallet, like that. Just put them back in. I like how they put them out in different levels, so you can just grab the one that you need simply from the top. One more time. Pretty easy. This is from Ekster. I like the quality of the wallets, the leather one in particular, and the metal one for sure. I'll be switching from a leather wallet to the metal wallet, and then I'll make sure to install this Chipolo tracker that has Bluetooth technology in with it as well, so I won't lose my wallet. And this is Ekster Wallets. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and thanks again for watching.